this special day, this wonderful event of the marriage of Adam and Stephanie.
Adam and Stephanie's relationship gained steam. I knew that she had unlocked the key to this part. This is not a one-size-fits-all key.
I see the abundance of respect, passion, goodness, and love that you give to her. You have found a beautiful, smart, and loving person to give it right back.
I welcome Stephanie to our family, and our families are now united as one.
I'm excited to grow old with you, see what the future holds, and spend the rest of my life with you. It gives me great joy to call you my best friend, my love, and now my husband. I love you, Adam.
I promise to respect you, cherish you, and love you both with my words and actions, and give you my heart, now and forever.
I now pronounce them husband and wife. I invite you to share your first